Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Hamid Trades trading channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about what the next steps are for the market, how beautifully fluid and majestic the market is moving at the moment. We're going to take a look at what needs to happen for a nice big break to the upside or the downside. Tomorrow obviously is very, very important. We have CPI data coming out, Fed minutes coming out at 2 o'clock. So there's a lot to take into consideration. What levels need to be held, what levels need to be broken for either direction for a continued move. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at all that stuff. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Number one, quick and easy. This video is going to be also nice, quick and easy as well. We have CPI data coming out at 8:30 a.m. Then we have FOMC minutes coming out at 2 p.m. So just very simply, very, very important. So once again, do not hold anything at the time of this meeting happening. It's basically going to be a gamble to hold any position during this time. All right, I'm going to just try to make this as very simple as possible. Literally, all we need to realize is tomorrow, if we get a break and close above 412.50, 413 on the SPY, things are going to be bullish. If we completely close below 408, or if we close below 406, that is bearish. That is literally as simply as I could put it. And the one thing at the moment that is making me want to lean a bit bearish, it makes sense to swing bearish. I could be completely wrong, but I'm not holding anything overnight for this, but we failed at a level of resistance here on the SPY. So things are showing weakness here at a level of resistance, though we're still holding the 408 level, right? So technically we failed at a level of resistance after a big green candle like this, as well as the fact that the NASDAQ also did not continue up. So the NASDAQ had a nice big green candle as well. We opened red on the NASDAQ the day before on Monday, closed green, but then today we came back and closed red on the NASDAQ, came back, retested, and held the 38.2% fib. So the NASDAQ is showing weakness. The SPY is showing weakness at levels of resistance. And then the IWM is showing the most strength. So generally, we do not want to see the IWM leading some sort of strength or a rally. And we can chalk this up, this strength in the IWM up, to the fact that there's going to be earnings coming in for the IWM for the banks heading into the end of the week, as well as the fact that the IWM has been the biggest loser thus far. So it makes sense that there could be a bit of a short squeeze and a bounce, like a relief rally on the IWM. So relief rallies are generally not good enough reasons for us to automatically just become bullish. And that is what I am getting from the IWM's move here. And that is another reason why I'm not completely convinced of the SPY's strength. If the NASDAQ looked like this, these past two candles, say for example the NASDAQ had these, then it would look way more bullish for the SPY. But unfortunately, because once again, just because the NASDAQ is showing weakness at levels of resistance as well, similar to what the SPY is doing, it's not the best sign. But of course, we're holding support. Everything is holding very, very tight in a range. We have to just wait and see how tomorrow the FOMC minutes and as well as CPI data in the morning come out. But aside from that, there's no reason to draw this out. We can't really communicate anything important at the moment. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Nice, short, and sweet. And until tomorrow will be much more fun, and we could have a much more in-depth conversation about everything as well. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Have a good one.